We'll guide you through how to use Claude Code in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You need to make sure you have the latest version of VS Code installed for compatibility. Once VS Code is open, go to the Extensions pane, which you can access by clicking on the square icon located on the left sidebar. In the search bar at the top of the Extensions pane, type Claude Code to find the extension. Once you locate it, click on the Install button. This will download and integrate Claude Code into your VS Code environment. After installation, you may need to restart VS Code to ensure the extension is fully loaded. Once you're back in, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P if you're on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus P on a Mac. In the command palette, type Claude to bring up the available commands. Select Claude Code, open AI console from the list. This action will launch the Claude Code console within VS Code, where you can start interacting with the AI. You can type your code or query directly into this console, and Claude will assist you with suggestions and improvements. If you're working on a specific programming problem, just type it out and let Claude do its magic by providing suggestions or completing code snippets. Remember to check the settings of the extension for any additional customization options that might enhance your workflow. It's also a good idea to keep the extension updated to benefit from the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.